Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to turn on or off the third person in when you're in your parachute. And all you have to do is click on the hold to free look, and if you hold it, like for example on PC it's Q, if you hold it you'll be in third person, but if you let go it'll be off. There isn't really an option to turn it off completely or turn it on always, so that is just something to keep in mind. And yeah, that is basically it. I'm not sure with the exact button. I think it's X on, not X. I think it's like circle or X on PlayStation. And yeah, but like I said again, there is no like always turn on or always off. You can't have one or the other, but you can have like them both, I guess. Like there's no option in settings where you can just always turn it off. So that is something to keep in mind. Yeah. So again, when you jump out the thing, we just wait for it to load. When you jump out. Okay, see, like originally it shouldn't be like when you open your parachute, it should be in first person, but you have to hold it to look for Q. So that is something to keep in mind. That is so in order to actually use third person, you just have to hold the button and that's it. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.